Hello everyone on YouTube, it's me again, and today I'm going to do a Simplex review of the wahl hair clippers. Yes, welcome to the Simplex Club everybody, Simplex 9806. I'm going to do a Simplex review. I've done a coin-operated rides and fidget spinners 2000 review of these hair clippers, and now it's time for a Simplex 9806 review. So, as you probably know, y'all have seen this clipper before. There's your little adjusting handle, your switch, fits really comfortably in the hand, and yes, the best part is the sound. It actually sounds like a 4030 or a 4037. Yeah. Anyways, I got some hair still back here. Yep, got some hairs that are still lingering. I'm going to take these clippers to the test. So, without further ado, here's my mechanical horn wahl hair clippers Simplex style 9806 Simplex 4037. Here we go. This way. See? And yes, these hair clippers are in continuous. I would do a code 3, but I'm going to ruin the clippers by doing that. We're March time, so they're all in continuous. Those old systems, they never had a coding. Almost got it. Lean this way so I'm not getting hair everywhere. Let me sit down here. Okay, two clippers. I don't know if it's going to cut any shorter, but that is my Simplex review of the wahl hair clippers. This is Simplex 9806, the Simplex 4037 wahl hair clipper. And actually, it does kind of sound like a fire alarm. I know I plan on making more fire alarm videos for y'all, but I figure I'd show y'all some more stuff that I could relate to Simplex. Anyways, this is Simplex 9806 signing off. Awesome. Thank you for watching.